Welcome back. This is Shreyas Gowda from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Let us discuss the subject called Principles of C Programming and especially about the topic called loops. Loops. Introduction to loops. Loops are fundamental programming constructs that allows the repeated execution of block codes. They helps in automation repeated tasks making code or effective and easy to manage. Understanding the loop is essential for any programming as they are widely used in various programming languages. Types of loop. The most common type of loops are loops, while loops, and do while loops. Each type of service differences are case depends upon the conditions of repetitions known when they are used. Each type can be greatly provide code clarity and performance. For loop is used when the number of iteration is known before entering the loop. It consists of three parts: iteration and conditions, and increment and decrement. For loops are particularly useful for iteration through arrays or collections. While loop. While loop conditions are executed as long as specific conditions remains true. It is used when the number of iteration are known as advance. Care must be taken to ensure that their loops eventually meet conditions to prevent the infinite loops. Do while loops. Do while loops is similar to while loop, which grades the at least one execution of loop body. Conditions to check after the execution of loop makes its descent from the standard while loop. The type of loops is used when their initial execution is necessary to determine if the loop must should continue. Innocent loop. Innocent loops are that execute within another loop, allows the complex iteration pattern. They are often used in multi-dimensional data structures like matrices. Performing the conditions are important when they are used. Innocent loops are they are significantly increase execution time. Loops control statement. Loop control statement such breaks the conditions alert to the flow of loops. Break the statement immediately exited from the loop while continue skip and current iteration and the process to the next. Use these statements can be enhanced loop functioning by should be used to maintain the code readability. Infinite loop. An infinite loop occurs when the loop terminates conditions is never met. They can cause programming to become responsive or crash if not properly handled. Debug tools are carefully conditions check can be helped preventing infinite loops during development. Performance and continuation. Loops have impact performance of program especially in the large data set or complex. Optimizing the loop performance involves minimum the number of iteration and used in the specific algorithm. Proofing tools can help in identifying the bottleneck to loop construction within your code. Conclusions of loop. Mastering the loop is crucial for effective programming and programming solving. They provide powerful way to manage respective tasks and control flow in the application. Continued practice can be explored for different types of loop while enhancing the program skills. Thank you.